I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Paidwork app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Paidwork app, or just click on search. Then here at Paidwork app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click on it here, then here you search for Paidwork app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.